guys, welcome back to the Lee Life.
As you can see by the title, we went to Flavortown in the Sky.
Flavortown in the Sky.
What's it called?
Downtown Flavortown.
We went to Downtown Flavortown in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Where did that even come from?
A restaurant created by
Guy Fieri. Is that how you say his last name?
The guy with white hair.
The guy from the Diners, Dives, and Drive-In. Yeah, y'all
We've
know.
seen his car. It's inside the restaurant. The red convertible used to ride around in on the show and stuff. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Wait, was it the actual one?
I think so. I'm
Yeah,
really not
that's.
sure.
I think he put his car in there. I think it's his car. But yeah, y'all know who he is. If you don't, then that's wild.
So I got the barbecue pulled pork sandwich with coleslaw, pretzel bun, and the fries. It was like 3 fries in one. I believe it was like regular fries, curly, and
like some kind of like wedge.
Yeah.
I love.
As far as the food, as far as the taste of mine, great. What did you get?
I got a cheeseburger. It was just like a classic, just all the regular stuff on it, and then the fries like his. It's just like a mixture of like. I liked that about it. My favorite was like the wedges though. The regular fries weren't really that good, but you know. But mine was good.
It's all potatoes.
The fries was good.
What'd you get, Tron? Look, I'm picky with certain
I
things.
got chicken Alfredo, bread, and Dr. Pepper.
What'd you think about the chicken Alfredo?
It was good, but Mama's is better.
Yeah,
Chicken?
you really are paying for the name there.
What'd you get that
It was
restaurant?
like
You remember?
$30.
No.
You remember
Well,
what you
Tegan don't
got?
remember what he got.
Remember chicken tenders? You were trying to cut them with a knife? And fries? Remember? That's what you got? Did you like them?
What are you being quiet for? Yeah, I was editing for. He's cool.
At the house, we were
My
like, he was like,
throat hurts.
Lean up
Oh
here
my
and show him
gosh.
your glasses.
Remember you said happy 2023?
Nasty! Stop pitching my
So our
booty.
appetizer, I forget the name of it. You
Oh,
remember
it
the
was like
actual name
trash
of
can
it?
nachos, or it was something like that. They literally bring it out and it looks like a
Yeah,
trash
it's
can,
like
they dump it
hot and
out.
melted. It comes out of this pot and
Yeah.
whatnot. It's super good. We
and of
got
course
some
the clip
footage
I
of that.
got, it was blurry. But
This food is excellent. It's above the average sit-down type of restaurant. But there's one caveat, one downside.
oh, the service.
Well, the service, yeah,
So you're talking
that's
about- that
a
was-
whole nother.
That's a whole other story.
I'm gonna assume the service ain't normally like that. We literally had to wait about 45 minutes from the time we would have got out and left just to get the check.
Well, we waited like an hour for our table, and it wasn't even really super busy.
I believe they were understaffed at that time, if
They
I
had to have
had to
been.
guess, because it was just.
They had to have been. I don't know. It was like really abnormal.
Let's
I
go
don't know.
ahead
We were
and
just
get
looking at
it
each other
out
like
there.
laughing. Like,
If you want to go there, you better come with your pockets deep.
yeah, that's like an occasion. You're paying for the name for him for
You're
sure.
gonna be paying $25 to $30 per person.
Yeah, her meal was literally almost $30.
it was
I feel like-
33.
The nachos were probably like in the 20s. It was just
The chicken Alfredo was good, but it wasn't that good.
hers was like $30
Yeah, it was
almost. It's
30.
just
And
yeah.
don't get me wrong, mine was. It was better food than I'm gonna expect to get than like the average sit down type of restaurant. But there's a cause for it. You can't just go in there
Yeah.
casually one day. You gotta take you out a small loan or go to the pawn shop before you go pawn a couple things.
But like we looked at the menu before we even went, and I don't think I really like took it in like the prices. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
And then the service being like that, it kind of was like, I don't know if
Like
I'd go
it's-
back.
it was about $150 for us for.
Yeah,
All I'm gonna say is if the food was that expensive, it should have been better.
hers
I
was
mean-
kind of average because I tried hers. Yeah,
I can't really say a lot about the taste. The taste was good. It kind of was what I was expecting on the taste. But I think the service honestly did it for us. It kind of just made the whole experience focused on the service
yeah,
rather than focused on the food.
yeah. When you have a part of the meal that's that bad, like the service alone, it kind of like ruins the whole like experience. You know?
Yeah. But as far as the food goes, I'll give the food 2 thumbs up.
Yeah.
Price, go in there, be ready to pay. As
Yeah.
far as the building and the environment and all that stuff, it was really nice. I like
Mm-hmm.
the arcade and stuff.
I loved all like the warm lights and things like that in there.
Yeah, had a gift shop, a bunch of stuff for sale.
Yeah.
So on this trip, we almost forgot to mention where we stayed at.
It's kind of like a townhouse,
To
right?
be honest, I forgot.
It wasn't.
Trying was that condo where I was chasing you and Tegan up the steps. Remember?
It was really big.
Where y'all had got the big bedroom upstairs?
No, what was it that one where like you came when I was half asleep and you asked me if I was on my phone?
Yeah, I snuck up the steps.
That
Remember y'all had the
scared me.
whole big room upstairs? We was downstairs.
That scared me because like I just had closed up my eyes and like 5 seconds later you were standing over me.
It was really
so
big.
scary.
When I booked, I didn't even realize like
It was-
I didn't even know it was gonna be like a whole separate by
I didn't
itself.
like it because it got too hot up the steps.
So we stayed in a chill little condo by itself.
It was really nice
Of course, Tiffany had to take 10 laps to find it.
because the whole layout was really complicated.
Because she can't read basic maps.
I mean, it was complicated.
We had a
You should've did
nice little stay in the Pigeon Forge Mountains of the Tennessee Mountain Authority.
You sound like a narrator or something. Yeah, it was really pretty. They were super big, which is good.
They're really big and they were by ourselves. Well, I think they were connected to one behind it, but
They were.
It felt like you were by yourself.
Did we ever have anybody beside us though?
Mm-mm.
I never saw another car. Yeah, so we were really just by ourselves right there,
Ow.
which was nice. So
A lot of
Don't
fun.
give me that wood. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Pigeon here.
Loud jacket movie.
All you gonna hear
I
is
want you. I
You
hear what
see,
you
I have my
polyester and
glasses on
oh yeah, show your glasses.
and my jacket.
And it's 2023 now, isn't it?
Yeah.
Sean, you got anything to say? Slide over to you.
What?
Slide over you and your
I
Mars
have something
glasses.
to say actually. So one time when I was little, we had a couch and I got Daddy's like thing, a knife,
Box cutter.
a box cutter, and I ripped a tear in it.
that's on the top of your mind right now.
She literally
Yeah,
went to
it's
my
because-
toolbox, took the knife, walked straight to the brand new couch,
Yeah,
and went.
Oh,
and you couldn't like sew it
yesterday-
because material was like so
and then
thin on
felt
it.
bad about it.
No. And then yesterday at school, I tackled one of my friends and my leg still hurts.
All right, since we're talking about old
She's like
stories,
a cat.
what'd your brother do? Remember that time I got the brand new, what phone was that at the time? It was,
iPhone 10.
it was when the X came out, aka 10.
Tegan took it and he
It was-
threw
hold
it.
on.
In
No,
the
you couldn't find
Brand new
it.
at that time. I was one of the first people to have it. You know, it was a big deal. It was the first
It was like
generation
yeah,
the iPhone went to that look.
and you had
brand
it for
new.
like barely any time.
Now what Tegan do?
He took it and then he threw it in the toilet.
No, like you couldn't find it.
Oh,
And
he
we
took
looked
it
everywhere.
He grabbed it off the bedroom, walked directly to the bathroom, the far bathroom, which is probably like 50 feet away, in a straight line, dropped it straight in the toilet, shut the lid on the
What
toilet.
was he like? He was like 1, right? Yeah.
We got to
Oh
say
my
about
gosh!
that, Tegan.
Imagine if someone had,
Busted.
imagine if someone had to pee and then they didn't look in the toilet before and they peed on your phone.
Yeah, I could have.
time you put the
If somebody
level-
would have did that, it definitely would have
Do you
been you.
remember that time you put the level in there?
And do you remember
It was
one
just sticking
time
straight
when
out
I
of the
was
toilet.
a baby, I had your camera and I went to record a video, but you called it the camera back.
With the GoPro.
Oh yes, whenever I had a GoPro, he used to just ride around.
But
He used
I
to run
couldn't
around with the
break it,
recorder. He used to have it like real close to his face, like a little POV angle, just looking down into it
And like,
with
remember you could see when he would be running?
his little baby double chin.
And he would run, it would just be all over the place.
Oh my gosh!
They remember
I
Trylon?
watched that one
And
video.
I
Trylon
even
was like,
break
"Put
it,
it
guys.
down."
I'm a
Huh?
big kid now.
No, that was Mama.
Oh.
I watched, like, before we left, I watched that one video that you had. It was, like, me in pink shorts that had 36,000 views. And
Oh, yeah,
Tegan
yeah.
was so short
Oh no.
and fat.
Tegan got shape.
Well,
Come on, my
now
God.
I
Gotta
have
get
a skinny shape of my belly.
Uh-huh. Are you trying to pull it out? Okay.
No, I'm showing
Show
you
me your
my
jawbone.
No, I'm showing
Come here.
you my belly now.
Show me your jawbone.
I mean,
Chiseled.
jawline. I have a sharper jawline than Tegan.
Alright.
Make sure y'all comment, see what type of video y'all want to see next. And any last closing remarks?
I like doing review videos, like going places and
Guys,
It's
look
helpful
at
when people
my
see 'em.
belly shape now.
he took his whole jacket
Did
off.
he pull it all out?
Yeah, and like, comment, and subscribe. You wanna
And
say something, Tegan?
share.
Bye.
See you next time.
Have a happy 2023.
See y'all on the next one.